The beefed-up 2024 Lexus GX 550 Overtrail Plus is an off-road beast. Lexus unveiled a rugged off-road build of the new 2024 GX 550 at SEMA, proving this luxury SUV has some serious capability underneath its plush interior. Dubbed the GX 550 Overtrail Plus, this concept SUV has been beefed up with a range of upgrades to create an overlanding machine ready for the harshest terrain. Power comes from a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine, a big step up from the old V8. Output is rated at 349 horsepower and a meaty 479 pound-feet of torque, giving the GX some serious grunt for the trails. The new 10-speed auto transmission ensures optimal use of the power band while maximizing fuel efficiency. 33-inch Toyo Open Country tires mounted on 18-inch wheels provide plenty of grip, while blacked-out fender flares give the bodywork a tougher look. A standard aluminum skid plate shields the underbody on rocky trails. Lexus decked out the Overtrail Plus with a full catalog of accessories for maximum capability. Rock rails, cargo racks, ladder, rooftop access panels, storage cases, recovery boards. This thing is ready to handle miles of rough terrain. The cool two-tone earth and black color scheme even gives it a stylish edge. The GX 550 Overtrail Plus really shows what the new 2024 model is capable of. Lexus has taken its luxury SUV and turned it into a hardcore off-roader that would look just as at home on the Rubicon Trail as the shopping mall parking lot. It's a beast in a designer suit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.